Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to segregate and manage private and public tasks in UPBASE. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First off, open UPBASE and navigate to the task dashboard. This is where all your tasks, private or public, are displayed. Now let's segregate them. The reason we do this is to enhance organization and improve task visibility. Next up, click on the Add New Task button and you'll notice two options, Private Task and Public Task. Choose as per your requirement. If you want a task visible only to you, go for Private Task. This helps us because it keeps sensitive tasks confidential. Now that we've done that, let's manage these tasks. Click on the All Tasks dropdown and you will see Private and Public options. Select Private to view all your private tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By choosing this, you're filtering tasks based on their privacy setting. Moving on, you can manage these tasks by assigning deadlines, adding notes, or changing their status. This is significant because it helps you stay on top of your work and ensures no task falls through the cracks. Lastly, to manage public tasks, repeat the process but choose Public from the dropdown. Let me explain why this matters. Public tasks are visible to everyone on your team, so managing them effectively fosters transparency and promotes team collaboration. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you can segregate and manage your private and public tasks in UPBASE, making your task management more efficient and streamlined. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.